How to add text to speech on video in TikTok PC. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add text to speech on video in TikTok on PC. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now, search for tiktok.com. Once you get on this website, make sure to sign into your account by entering your credentials. Now, you want to click on the upload option at the top. Now click on the select video option. Go ahead and select the video that you want to upload. Then click on the open option. Now you get to add all of these details here. So if you want to add in a description, you can do that. You can use mentions and hashtags. You can also edit your cover. Now in the settings, you can decide when to post and who can see your post. Once you have done all of this, here, click on the edit video option. Now you should find the option of text to speech over here. Simply click on that and you can add the text to speech in this video. Then click on the save edit option. Once that is done, go ahead and click on the post option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.